Oh, g'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. The big bike's all clean, all ready to sell, but that means that I won't have another chance to ride it, so I think it's time to go for a big ride again, load up the bike, hit the road and just see where we end up. I've been sitting there looking at the maps this morning, just poring over them, going, I don't know what to do, if I should go, when I should go, which way I should go. But I think we're going to have to settle this one with a coin toss. Let's do that, see what happens. Alright, time for the coin toss. I'm a tails man, tails never fail sort of thing. So I'm going to call it heads we stay, do something different. Tails we go, and just ride. Heads. I don't know. I think we should just go anyway. Well, that was not the outcome I was looking for, but whatever. I'm just going to start getting this bike ready to go. More is lost by indecision than wrong decision. It's something I've lived by for a long time, so rather than just standing around thinking about whether I should do it or not, just going to do it and see what happens, hey. So now we've got to get the bike ready to go. As always, I've removed all of the stuff from the bike, so I've got to do the rewiring real quick, load up some stuff and put some petrol in it and away we go. So let's rip into that real quick. Well, the bike's pretty well rewired here. It's taken like an hour or so. I just want to ride, you know. Anyway, try to plug in the inverter that charges the laptop and the drone, and something's gone wrong there, so maybe I should have taken those heads and just called it quits, but anyway, I just want to get on the bike and ride now, so I'm just going to pack a few things, chuck on my gear and go. Let's do it. Alright, well, it's been a couple of hours of just mucking around, mayhem, craziness, trying to get organised, but the bike seems all ready to go. We're just going to head through a major town to get this inverter swapped over, and then yeah, we're good to go. I still don't know where we're going. We're just going to head towards that major town and then just start going from there. I don't even know. So let's get on the bike.
Alright, just like that, we are off. And yeah, a bit of a last minute decision to go today, but it was a good decision, I reckon. I like that flipping of the coin and going, nah, I'm going anyway. That's funny stuff. So yeah, the bike is all loaded. I think I said at the start there, it is up for sale at the moment, so I'm going to be taking it very easy on it and just, yeah, try not to pump out too many Ks. It's at 59,000 Ks at the moment, so by the time I finish this trip it's going to click over that 60,000, and that's, I don't know, it seems like a big number on a bike sometimes, so we'll see how we go anyway. But first we're heading north. We're going to head up to Gympie, and that's where I'm going to try and change over this inverter, because I got nothing to charge my drone and nothing to charge the laptop. So yeah, if this doesn't pan out, I won't be able to be charging the drone or charging the laptop. And then from Gympie, I don't know, I'm going to start looking at some maps. I'm going to have a bit of lunch and look at some maps and decide where to go from there, because yeah, I've no idea. Nice little lunch break there, stopped and looked at the map, scoured over some things, thought about what I'd like to do, and now I am the man with the plan. Well, somewhat of a plan anyway. So the basic plan is, just today, it's quite late, it's nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon already. We're just going to be heading up towards Rainbow Beach, and then camping at Inskip Point tonight. And then from there, over the next few days, I'd just like to hop and skip along the beach, you know, like a skipping stone along the water, and yeah, find some cool, hopefully beachy sort of camps and places along the way. But yeah, that's the basic plan. We're just going to be heading north along some of the awesome beaches, taking our time, doing it super chilled. Yeah, very, very small amount of Ks each day. That's my plan. We'll see how we go. Now, I know we haven't made it to camp yet to see what else we're missing, but it was a very rushed little setup today. Very frustrating for me. I really don't like rushing like that. I like to be quite organised, but Yeah, in my rush, we're missing something right here. My cruise control. Man, am I missing it. I'm glad we're only doing low Ks. I would have turned around straight away and gone back and got that if we're doing a big ride, that's for sure. So yeah, cruise control. And I don't even have the little sort of thumb locky, you know, grip thing. It's just, yeah, time to man up, I guess. This is a beautiful drive from Gympie to Inskip Point. It's beautiful along here. I love this place. Might stop and send the drone up too. Check it out. Hey, 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 yee. And into the pines we go. Huge amount of pine forest all the way now to Rainbow, pretty much.
So we just stopped for a bit of a chill break here, set the drone up, got some cool shots I hope. A little bit of cloud cover, but we're going alright, we're going alright.
The entrance or exit to the Kalula Way. It was open too, that's pretty cool. It's been closed for a while, I think. But yeah, I've done many rides through there. I've even ridden my push bike from home all the way through here to Rainbow Beach, so there's a video about that one. If you find it, you're a legend. That's an awesome little spot there. I'm going to take you guys there tomorrow, so watch out for the next video in this little ride series because yeah, it's a cracker of a spot. We'll check it out in the morning. This is the road from Rainbow Beach to Inskip Point. Beautiful beach out that way, and yeah, we'll just cruise up here. Hopefully find a spot where it's not too sandy. I mean, some of these camp spots are just haggardly sandy and whatever, so yeah, we'll just find a spot where it's sort of just off the road a bit, hopefully, and find a nice one close to the beach. Road rules apply on all beaches. Well, I don't think I'm going to be taking the big girl on any beaches, so we should be right.
So this spot here is looking like a bit of a winner, sort of just off the road, some nice beach views and things, but you know, at least I'm not in any big sandy bogs, so I've got a nice little grass patch here. Yeah, so let's set up the tent, set up camp, and we'll get sorted. Alright, so Inskip Point is just that, it's a point, and it's a very sort of narrow point that it comes to, and we've got behind us here the sort of the calm side, I guess, and then we'll head over now and check out the Fraser Island side, the big channel that goes through out to the main ocean. across the channel there. And beautiful, beautiful afternoon, hey? Alright, so yeah, pretty chill day on the bike today. It was only a couple hundred Ks or something like that. These aren't going to be big days, that's for sure, but it was a good fun afternoon on the bike, getting into camp early and just setting up and chilling out and having some fun. So yeah, I'd like to say a big thanks to everyone watching, and make sure you drop a comment below, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, all that other social media stuff, and I'll see you on the next video.